The future is here. It's not some distant dream. It's unfolding now, driven by an unstoppable force, artificial intelligence. AI is no longer science fiction, it's woven into the fabric of our lives, from the smartphones we carry to the cars we drive. But this is just the beginning. AI is poised to reshape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. The evolution of AI has been exponential. Just a few decades ago, computers struggled with simple tasks. Now they can defeat grandmasters at chess, compose music, and even write poetry. The pace of progress is accelerating. We are on the verge of a technological singularity, a point where AI surpasses human intelligence. This is not a cause for alarm, but a moment of profound opportunity. AI has the potential to solve some of humanity's greatest challenges. It can help us cure diseases, develop sustainable energy sources, and explore the vastness of space. It can automate tedious tasks, freeing us to pursue our passions and unlock our creative potential. The possibilities are limitless. The future is brimming with potential. But this future is not without its challenges. As AI becomes more powerful, we must ensure that it is used for good. We must address ethical concerns, establish clear boundaries, and ensure that AI remains a tool for human progress, not a force for our own undoing. The choices we make today will determine the course of our future. The time to act is now. AI is advancing at an unprecedented rate. Breakthroughs are happening daily. We are witnessing the emergence of truly intelligent machines, capable of learning, adapting, and even innovating. This is a testament to human ingenuity, but it also raises profound questions about our own place in the world. One of the most exciting areas of AI research is deep learning. This involves training artificial neural networks on massive datasets. These networks can then recognize patterns, make predictions, and even generate new content. The results are astonishing. AI can now translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and even diagnose diseases with remarkable accuracy. However, this rapid progress comes with risks. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it could be used for malicious purposes. Autonomous weapon systems could fall into the wrong hands, leading to devastating consequences. AI-powered surveillance systems could erode privacy and freedom. We must be vigilant in addressing these potential threats. The key is to ensure that AI development is guided by ethical principles. Transparency, accountability, and human oversight are crucial. We must also prioritize AI safety research, developing safeguards to prevent unintended consequences. AI has the power to transform our world for the better, but we must proceed with caution and wisdom. Healthcare is on the cusp of a revolution. AI is poised to transform the way we diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases. From personalized medicine to robotic surgery, AI is already making a profound impact on patient care. The possibilities for improving human health are limitless. AI-powered diagnostic tools can analyze medical images with incredible precision. They can detect subtle anomalies that might escape the human eye, leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses. AI algorithms can also predict patient outcomes, helping doctors tailor treatment plans to individual needs. This is leading to more effective and personalized healthcare. AI is also revolutionizing drug discovery. Machine learning algorithms can analyze vast datasets of biological information, identifying promising drug candidates in a fraction of the time it would take humans. This is accelerating the development of new therapies for a wide range of diseases, from cancer to Alzheimer's. The future of medicine is bright. However, the use of AI in healthcare also raises ethical concerns. Data privacy is paramount. Patients' medical records must be protected from unauthorized access and misuse. We must also ensure that AI algorithms are free from bias, providing equitable care to all patients regardless of their background. The responsible development and deployment of AI in healthcare is crucial for realizing its full potential. Section 4: AI in Education, Reshaping How We Learn. Education is the foundation of progress. AI has the power to transform how we learn, making education more personalized, engaging, and accessible. From intelligent tutoring systems to virtual reality learning environments, AI is opening up new possibilities for students of all ages. AI-powered tutoring systems can provide personalized instruction, adapting to each student's learning style and pace. They can identify areas where students are struggling and provide targeted support. This allows students to learn at their own pace, mastering concepts before moving on. AI can help unlock every student's full potential. AI is also changing the way we teach. Teachers can use AI tools to analyze student data, identify learning gaps, and tailor their instruction accordingly. AI can also automate administrative tasks, freeing up teachers to focus on what they do best, inspiring and mentoring students. AI can empower teachers to be more effective. However, we must be mindful of the importance of human interaction in education. While AI can enhance the learning experience, it should not replace the role of teachers. Teachers provide emotional support, mentorship, and a human connection that is essential for students' well-being and development. The future of education lies in a balanced approach, leveraging the strengths of both AI and human educators. Section 5. The Ethical Labyrinth of AI. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, ethical considerations become paramount. We must ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly, with a focus on human well-being and societal benefit. The ethical dilemmas posed by AI are complex and multifaceted, demanding careful consideration and proactive solutions. One of the most pressing ethical concerns is bias. AI algorithms are trained on data, and if that data reflects existing societal biases, the resulting AI systems can perpetuate and even amplify those biases. This can lead to discriminatory outcomes in areas like hiring, lending, and even criminal justice. We must develop techniques to mitigate bias in AI systems, ensuring fairness and equity. Another ethical challenge is accountability. As AI systems become more sophisticated, it can be difficult to understand how they make decisions. This lack of transparency can make it challenging to hold AI systems accountable for their actions. We need to develop mechanisms for auditing AI systems, ensuring that they operate within ethical boundaries and that their decisions can be explained and justified. The ethical implications of AI are far-reaching. We must engage in ongoing dialogue and collaboration to address these challenges. This requires input from ethicists, policymakers, technologists, and the public. The future of AI depends on our ability to navigate these ethical complexities responsibly and thoughtfully. Section 6. AI's Dual Destiny, Promise and Peril. AI is a double-edged sword. It has the potential to usher in a new era of peace, prosperity, and progress, but it also carries the risk of unintended consequences, even existential threats. We are at a crossroads. The choices we make today will determine the course of AI's development and its impact on humanity. The promise of AI is immense. It can help us solve some of humanity's most pressing challenges, from climate change to poverty. It can unlock new frontiers in science, medicine, and technology. It can enhance our lives, making us healthier, more productive, and more connected. The future with AI is bright, but the peril is real. AI could be used to create autonomous weapon systems that escalate global conflicts. It could lead to mass unemployment and social unrest. It could erode privacy and freedom, creating a dystopian surveillance state. We must be vigilant in guarding against these risks. The future of AI is not predetermined. It is up to us to shape its destiny. We must proceed with wisdom, foresight, and a deep commitment to ethical principles. We must ensure that AI remains a tool for human progress, not a force for our own undoing. The future is in our hands.